Pitter-patter, hear the sound. Raindrops falling on the ground. Tiny rivers start to flow, making puddles grow and grow. Put on boots and grab your hat. Let's go splashing, imagine that. Jumping high and jumping low. Splish and splash, watch us go. Clouds above, all dark and gray, make the perfect rainy day. But with each drop, the earth feels new, washing everything with its dew. Rainbows come when storms are done, with colors bright in the shining sun. So when it rains, don't feel sad, the magic of the rain is always glad.